Computer device for processing, storing, and displaying information. What is a computer? A computer is a machine that can store and process information. Most computers rely on a binary system that uses two variables just like 0 and 1 to complete tasks such as storing data, calculating algorithms, and displaying information. Computers come in many different shapes and sizes, from handheld smartphones supercomputers weighing more than 300 tons. Many people throughout history are credited with deploying early prototypes that led to the modern computers. During World War II, physicist John Mauchly, engineer J. Presper Eckert, and their colleagues at the University of Pennsylvania designed the first programmable digital computer, the electronics numerical integrator and computer.